Okay, hey traders there. I should be live here on Facebook Tuesday morning, 8:26 a.m. I'm not really up yet for some reason. I'm just struggling a little bit here today, but I figured I'd get on here, make this video, share some information with you guys. And today, um, so that's what I'm going to do. So, have you ever stared at a chart and watch the big move take off without you, and you feel that burning urge to just jump in even when you know that it's not part of your plan, right? This feeling is called FOMO. It's the fear of missing out, and it's one of the most dangerous emotions a trader can experience. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly what causes FOMO, why it can destroy your trading account, and most importantly, how you can overcome it. So my name is Bill Soriano, and I like to help traders develop the mindset and the skills that they need to succeed in the trading game long term. So if you're serious about mastering trading psychology and building habits that lead to a consistent, profitable strategy, then make sure you like this video, subscribe, turn on the notifications, whatever you have to do so that don't miss out on anything. Now let's dive right in, but first let's go to the charts and let's check out any trade idea alerts that were confirmed overnight or this morning using my ATH RSI Sniper Pro 15-minute trade plan. So let me share my screen here real fast with you guys, if I may. Just give me 1 minute here. Okay. So hopefully I'm sharing my screen here and you can see that we're on AUD we had our trade ID alert, which was confirmed with the scanner, go off here. This was at 4:45 a.m. yesterday. This one here made a significant move down, and you would have been able to lock in some profits on this one. So this would have been a winning trade. CAD this was a FUBAR trade, right? Filed up beyond all recognition or all repair. That's what we refer to when we have a trade that loses. And so this one gave us a trade ID alert 10:45 a.m. yesterday. Did not work out. And I kind of relaxed the conditions a little bit. Let me just show you. This is my free Forex quick start guide. I'll tell you how to get that later on here in the video. But in the bonus chapter here at the end, we have the ATH RSI Sniper Pro 15-minute trade plan. And so right here we have the conditions. You could see for a buy. And this condition number 3 here on our Sniper Pro scanner, the price needs to be in the lower volatility bands and not close past the midway point. That's for a buy, and of course for a sell, it's just the opposite there, where price needs to be in the upper bands. The volatility bands on the scanner are kind of like Bollinger Bands, but they're a proprietary indicator that only the Sniper Pro scanner has, and not close past the midway point. So we kind of relaxed that a little bit. Didn't we were only taking one or the other. Either it went into the bands or it didn't close past the halfway point. And so I know if you guys haven't seen this trading plan, I'll tell you how to get this free Forex quick start guide that has it right here. And it also has the videos explaining it as well. Okay. But we did relax that a little bit. And because of that, we've been getting a few more FUBAR trades. So we're going to tighten that back up moving forward. So there'll just be less trades, but they'll be higher quality. EURCAD, this one was actually another FUBAR trade. We had 2 conditions of it here. Both of these ended up losing. EURJPY, This was a trade here where it's made a significant move up, almost got stopped out here. But this trade now you'd be able to move your stop loss to break even so that you can't lose anything on it. GBP this one made a significant move down for us, and then we would have gotten knocked out right here with a +1, probably a 1% win here, as you can see. These last two candles have wicked up. We probably have some news in the market I didn't check, but that's probably what happened there. GBP this one made a significant move down here, about probably about 3.5%, and then we would be able to lock in profits. As it moved back up, we would have gotten stopped out right around here. NZD CAD, this was the best one of the day here. This went off Sunday night, 8:30 p.m., and this made a very nice move downward um, for a nice win. And then USD CAD is a trade that we would still be in right now. It didn't make enough of a move to move the stop loss to break even, and prices come down here during obviously some news going on right now in the market. And let me just see if we can see what that is. I like to go to my fxbook.com for the news. I told you guys I'm struggling a little bit here this morning. So right here we had some Canadian news, news on the Canadian dollar, and news on the US dollar just come out. High impact news here at 8:30, and that's why you're seeing those crazy candles with the wicks going both ways in the small bodies. So of course, with this news coming out at 8:30 here, we would not want to take any trades. That's why I haven't taken any this morning from 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. So 30 minutes before, 30 minutes after any medium or high impact news event. Now you see we have another news event coming on here in 40 minutes at 9:15. So now that means that we really can't take any trades till 9:45 this morning, right? And then more news coming out later on today at 12:45 p.m. and then 2:45 p.m. So lots of news here affecting our trading. But right now we're looking at you wouldn't be able to take a trade in any Forex pair because you have news on the US dollar. So you wouldn't be able to take a trade till 9:45 a.m. this morning. Okay. So that's kind of what the charts looked like yesterday and overnight using my ATH RSI Sniper Pro 15-minute trade plan. So let's stop sharing the screen here for a second if we can. And let's get back to the topic for today, FOMO, right? So FOMO is the topic for today. And FOMO, like I said, guys, stands for the fear of missing out. And so in trading, this is what happens when you see a big move and you feel like you have to get in before it's too late. You tell yourself, I don't want to miss this move. Everyone else is making money and I'm just sitting here doing nothing. So FOMO can push you to break your trading plan, enter trades with poor setups, right? Or take on way too much risk, all because of a single emotional impulse, right? Why does FOMO happen? Well, human beings are social creatures, right? We are wired to look at what others are doing and to seek the feeling of belonging or winning. So on social media, your Discord channel, maybe you belong to, you see traders posting huge gains, perfect entries, and luxury lifestyles, and your brain interprets this as if I don't act now, I'm going to be left behind. So This psychological urge triggers impulsive decisions and it clouds your logical thinking. What are the hidden costs of FOMO? So most traders think FOMO is harmless, right? Just a momentary rush, but it does have big consequences because it causes you to enter at bad prices, get stopped out quickly, you over leverage, you're trying to catch up, uh, to imaginary profits. You lose your confidence. This is probably the biggest thing is you lose your confidence because you keep breaking your rules. Anytime you enter trades that don't meet the conditions of your setup or your rules or your trading plan, whatever you want to call it, you lose confidence. You enter a vicious cycle of regret, self-blame, and revenge trading. Remember, we talked a little bit about revenge trading yesterday, I believe. FOMO doesn't just hurt your account, it damages your mindset and your discipline. And remember, we've talked about mindset exhaustively, right? Being 80% of your success. So imagine you missed a clean breakout because it just didn't meet your conditions or your criteria, right? Then you watched it run for 100 pips without you. We've all been through this, right? This isn't anything new. We've all been through this if we've been trading for any length of time, right? Just just doesn't meet all of our conditions, and then we check back and boom, it's up 100 pips. The next day, a similar setup occurs, but it's not nearly as strong. You feel the urge to jump in, right? You say to yourself, I can't miss another one, right? You enter the trade, and of course, what happens? It fails. Now you're not only down money, but you're also angry at yourself. This is exactly how FOMO traps traders. It builds on this past regret, and then it creates future losses. How do you overcome it? So, how do we beat FOMO? Here are some steps you could start using today. Number one, you have to trust your trading plan, right? A solid plan defines exactly when you enter and exit your trades. When you have clear rules, you can remind yourself if this setup doesn't fit my plan, it's not my trade. Your edge only works if you follow it consistently. Number two, you have to kind of reframe your thinking a little bit. Instead of focusing on missed opportunities, focus on protecting your capital. If a move happens without you, think of it as a win because you avoided an impulsive, unplanned, emotional trade, right? There will always be another trade tomorrow. Number three, limit your screen time. Sometimes the more you watch the markets, the more tempted you are to jump in. Just set specific times to check your charts or even use alerts instead of staring at price action all day, right? You all heard the saying, out of sight, out of mind. Number four, journal your emotions, right? Start writing down when you feel FOMO. Note what caused it, what thoughts came up, and what actions you took. You see, seeing your emotional triggers on paper helps you to recognize them and manage them better next time. Number five, practice patience and gratitude, right? Be grateful for the trades you avoided that didn't meet your conditions. Patience is a trader's superpower, right? The best setups always come to those who wait. Uh, let's look at the big picture for a minute here. The market really isn't going anywhere, right? There will be endless opportunities tomorrow, next week, next year. Your goal isn't to catch every move. It's to trade your edge and to trade that edge with discipline and consistency. A single trade is never going to make or break you, but consistent emotional mistakes will. In closing, FOMO is one of the biggest killers of trading accounts and confidence. By accepting that you can't and shouldn't catch every move, you free yourself to trade with clarity and calmness. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. So if you found this video helpful, guys, let me know in the comments below. When was the last time FOMO got you, and what did you learn from it, right? Like this video if it gave you some value. Subscribe to the channel for more trading mindset and psychological content like in this video, right? If you'd like to get my ATH RSI Sniper Pro 15-minute trade plan and trade management plan, then message me here on Facebook and I'll send you the link to register for my free Forex quick start guide that I just showed you earlier in the video, right? The bonus chapter at the end has my complete ATH RSI Sniper Pro 15-minute trade plan along with the videos that explain it to you, right? So if you'd like to get that, like I said, comment below and I'll send you the link to register for that. If you're watching this video on my YouTube channel or another social media outlet, then just email me at bill@tradewithbill.com. Again, that's bill@tradewithbill.com, and I will send you the link to register. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and remember to trade safe, trade smart, and don't let FOMO control your journey. Have a great day, guys.